Hi, nice to see you again in Enchantment with Angel. Today's enchanting recipe is all the way from Nagpur, their signature breakfast dish, Tarri Poha. Let's first start making the tarri. For that, heat a tablespoon of oil, add a half spoon of mustard, and once it crackles, add half a spoon of cumin. Grind 2 onions to a fine paste and add to this and saute it well. So once the onion is sauteed well and there is no raw smell, add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it for a minute. Add a teaspoon of coriander powder, a teaspoon of chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Add salt according to taste. Saute this for a minute. Now it's time to add a cup of black chickpeas, which is soaked overnight and cooked till soft. Mix this well, add some water and bring it to a boil. Let it boil for about 5 minutes. Add the tomatoes, which is cut into 4 quarters, and let it boil for about 5 minutes. Before you switch off, add some Kasuri methi and mix it well, and your tarri is ready. Let's make the poha. Add a tablespoon of oil, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 1/4 cup of peanuts. Roast this well. Once it's roasted, add 2 split green chillies. Add 1 sliced onion and saute for a while. Add some salt according to taste. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and saute this. Now it's time to add 1 boiled potato, which is cut into cubes. Add some coriander leaves, and now add 3 cups of poha, which is washed and drained. Now mix this well. Your poha is now ready. Let's serve. Take a cup of poha and add some tarri on top of it. Let's garnish it. Add a slice of lime, some chopped onions, some coriander leaves, and most importantly, some save. And the delicious tarri poha is now ready to be enjoyed. Do try out this recipe and don't forget to subscribe. Until we meet again, bye. Happy cooking.